Hi, today we are reading Bunny Roo and Duckling Too by Melissa Marr, published by Nancy Paulson Books for Penguin Random House. I love the images that this book evokes in me and the parent-child relationship and some of the actions too. Maybe you'll run along with the animals or jump and hop with the frogs. I hope you love it too. Bunny Roo and Duckling Too by Melissa Marr. One day you woke and hopped out of bed. I thought you'd become a frog. So I brought you to the pond. When you touched the water, you squawked and splashed. I thought you'd become a duckling. So I jumped in to play with you. When you saw me, you climbed on my back and chattered. I thought you'd become a monkey. So I took you to the trees. When you saw the forest, you squirmed and twisted. I thought you'd become a snake. So I slithered next to you. When you saw the wide open fields, you raced so fast, I thought you'd become a cheetah. So I ran with you to the garden. When you saw the rows of carrots, you sniffed and nibbled. I thought you'd become my Bunny Roo. So I fed you a heaping salad. Then you snuggled closer, and I knew. You are my everything, as fun as all the animals in the world. You have been listening to Bunny Roo and Duckling Too by Melissa Marr.